Welcome. Today, we're diving into something that affects us all, breaking free from limiting beliefs. Have you ever told yourself, I'm not good enough, I'll never be successful, or I'm just not that kind of person? These are limiting beliefs, and they hold you back from reaching your full potential. Are your beliefs holding you back? What are limiting beliefs? Limiting beliefs are the negative thoughts and assumptions we accept as truth. They shape our actions, decisions, and ultimately, our lives. Limiting beliefs equals mental barriers. Sounds familiar? These beliefs can keep you stuck, preventing you from even trying. You are not your thoughts. Identifying your limiting beliefs. The first step to change is awareness. Try journaling to uncover hidden fears, meditating to observe negative thoughts, or asking trusted friends for honest feedback. Pay attention to your self-talk. Are you your biggest critic? Step 1. Awareness challenging your limiting beliefs. Question your beliefs. Is there solid evidence backing them up? Or are they just assumptions? Reframe them with empowering alternatives, like replacing I can't with I am capable. Step 2. Challenge your thoughts. Replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Speak to yourself with kindness. Use affirmations like I am capable and strong. Visualize success. And most importantly, take action. Even small steps can shatter limiting beliefs. Step 3. Reframe and act. Living a life free from limiting beliefs. Breaking free leads to confidence, motivation, and success. Surround yourself with those who uplift you and keep growing. Surround yourself with positivity. The only thing standing between you and your potential is what you choose to believe. Believe in yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you next time on Empowerment Diaries by Kisher.